You know, sometimes life just pulls you away from the things you love, and you don't even notice it at all first. One day you are painting, and the next, weeks have gone by. And when you try to come back to the canvas, the colors, the quiet, it's kind of scary. That happened to me. I hadn't painted in a while, my wrist was giving me trouble, and honestly, I think I was scared too. But today, after what feels like forever, I sat down. No plan, no pressure, just me and a new set of gouache paints that I've been avoiding for way too long. I told myself, okay, just try, just touch the color, touch the paper again. You probably know that I'm mostly a digital artist. Photoshop's layers, brushes with Control Z always close by, but there is a different kind of magic in real paint, real mess, paper, paint and everything. So today I'm doing something different. I'm turning one of my digital pieces into a gouache painting. And the first step is get the sketch down. This sketchbook it's my favorite. The paper texture is awesome. I will link it for you. Seriously, it's a dream for gosh. The piece I picked has a pretty chaotic background. Normally, I would use watercolor for this, but today I want to challenge myself. I know that gouache dries really fast, like really fast. So if you want soft transitions, that dreamy, cloudy vibe, you gotta move really quick. And yeah, I already know that it's not gonna be easy, but that's not what today is about. Today isn't about perfect lines or finished result. It's about the brush, the color, the moment that you're painting. Sometimes you have to let go for the outcome and just fall in love with the process again. Mixing, blending, getting lost in the sound of paint on paper, in the accidents, the little surprises. Because when you stop overthinking, when you are really here, somehow your painting finds its way. So let's do that. Let's be here, not in the yesterday, not rushing into tomorrow, just now, right now. I was reading something on the other day. It said we need to be more aware of how social media affects our hearts. Like, don't measure your joy by someone else's highlights reel. Don't weight your small, quiet moments against, filtered perfection. Because when you really look at it, there is this constant pressure out there to be more happier, more prettier, better, always more. And it's okay to enjoy beautiful things, it is, but just don't let it mess with your peace. Just keep that in your mind that you are already enough with what you have, with who you are, with everything you have made it through. If you pick up the brush today, even if it's messy, even if it's just for 5 minutes, then tomorrow you are already ahead of the version of you who didn't try. And maybe, and just maybe, that's what success really looks like. Anyway, if you made it all the way here, thank you. Really, thanks for just sitting with me for a bit. I know this wasn't a tutorial or a fancy time lapse, but sometimes we just need a moment like this, a quiet corner of the internet where we can just, sit and paint. So yeah, thanks for being here. Thanks for showing up for me, for the art, maybe even for yourself. If you felt something for this, leave a little comment. Let me know how you're doing, how long it's been since you picked up your brush. Okay, that's it for now. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!